So, paano pong ginagawa itong hormone optimization? Parang pareho lang ba yan yung tinatawag na HRT na
Yeah,
pinapalaganap dati ng mga OB-gynecologist natin, Doc?
yeah. Actually, ang kaibahan lang nung HRT namin is, well, it's called BHRT or Bioidentical Hormone Replacement
Hormonal.
therapy. So, ang kaibahan nito is that the hormones that we use are similar to what our body produces. And they're usually plant-based, and
Mm.
we recommend according to a person's needs. So it's not a cookie cutter approach, parang it's more personalized.
Ah,
And
ah.
before we
Mm-mm.
recommend anything, we make sure that we do testing first to make sure that there are no contraindications.
So
Yes,
dumadaan
yes.
sa series of lab tests. Doc Pau,
Yes.
you want to add something or ask a question kay Dr.
No,
Lopez? Go ahead po.
I am I'm completely happy that it is available. And my friend there is a specialist on that because this is something that perhaps the Filipinos would need, no?
Mm.
Actually, our neighbors, no, Europe, America, they have been into that, and it's good that we have that here. And in my end, for people who have cardiometabolic problems, who have basically
Mm.
weight management problems, maganda to.
Ah.
Maganda to. They should give it a try, especially the ladies after their menopause or they got thyroid problems. This is something that they should try and give an opportunity to journey with.